inheritance and discuss about that single inheritance. Now we have discussed about that another type of inheritance are called multi-level inheritance. These inheritance are called when there is a chain of inheritance. When there is a chain of inheritance. When there is a chain of inheritance. Chain of inheritance is known as called multi-level inheritance. Class A inherits the properties of class B. Class B inherits the properties of class A. These all are called hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is called chain of inheritance. The Java does not supporting for that multiple inheritance. Java does not supporting for that multiple inheritance. These are related using for that interface concept are supporting for that similar to a multiple inheritance. Okay, now we have discussed about that multi-level inheritance. Already discussed about that multi-level inheritance means chain of inheritance. One class is inherit the properties of another class inheriting the properties of another one intermediate class. Okay, this is example of multi-level inheritance. This is the base class of three type of inheritance. This example, this called animal. Animal is one type of a base class. Animal. Another one dog. Next one baby dog. Baby dog inherit the properties of dog class. Again dog class inherit the properties of animal class. Again dog class inherit the properties of animal class. This is example of multi-level inheritance. Now you explain about that multi-level inheritance. The class animal is also called the base class. Animal is also called the base class. Okay, this using for the one of your methods void eat. This system.out.println just displaying for the eating. This message displaying for the eat method. Another class dog class extending for that animal. Dog class extends the animal class. This dog class inherit the properties of animal class. Dog class inherit the properties of animal class. The dog class using the one type of methods are called the void bark method. This method displaying a messages are called barking. Another one class is called baby dog. Baby dog is also called another one are subclasses. The extends a dog class. These methods, the baby dog class using for that methods are called void weep method. This method displaying a message is called weeping. This main purpose of this multi-level inheritance is called the baby dog class inherit the properties of dog class. Dog class again inherit the properties of animal class. This is also called multi-level inheritance. These main methods class test main method name class test public static void main string arguments. This baby dogs this final subclass is creating for that object. Baby dog creating for that objects are called D. This new baby dog this creating for that object. Baby dog creating for that object. Just these objects are calling for that all type of classes. D dot calling for the weep method, D dot calling bark method, D dot calling eat method. This purpose of these methods main advantages is called this inheriting further all the methods. This baby dog class inherit the methods of dog method. Dog method again inherits the methods of animal class. Only this class multi-level inheritance are called only just creating for that last subclass are creating object only. That's calling for that all the methods, all the class methods. This displaying for the output. D dot bob weep call means this weeping. The outputs are displaying outputs are called weeping. This is called weeping. Baby dog methods. The another one D dot bark. Bark is also called dog class. This bark is called barking. Displaying message barking. Another ones are called eat method. This eat methods are using animal class. That's just calling for the eat method. Then eating. These are the outputs displaying for this output. This is for multi-level inheritance. Next ones are called hierarchical inheritance. Multiple inheritance is not supporting for the Java. Java does not supporting for the multi-level inheritance. Java does not supporting for the multiple inheritance. Next ones are called another one type of inheritance are called the hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means when there is two or more class inherits a single class. When there is two or more class inherits a single class is known as called hierarchical inheritance. For that example, class A, class B and class C inherits the properties of a class A. Class B, class C inherits the properties of class A. When there is a two or more classes, inherits the properties of class A. Inherits the properties of class A. For example, the animal class is also called a base class. This is also called a chub class or a side class. Dog class and eat class inherit the properties of animal class. Okay, this is for hierarchical inheritance. Okay, thank you.